Hello everybody, welcome back to channel Best Woodworking. Tree felling can be a dangerous task, and sometimes it's done in ways that make us question if safety was considered at all. Here's a list of some of the most jaw-dropping, dangerous, and downright reckless tree felling moments that will make you think twice about handling these massive trees without proper knowledge or equipment. In this shocking clip, we see a giant oak being felled way too close to a two-story house. As the saw roars, things seem okay until gravity takes over, and the massive trunk falls directly onto the roof. The crunching of wood and splintering of shingles as it collapses part of the roof is a stark reminder that precision and positioning are key when cutting trees near homes. Here's an example of how unpredictable tree felling can be without proper planning. In this scene, the individual miscalculates the lean of the tree, and instead of falling in the intended direction, it topples backward, missing the designated safe zone entirely. The resulting crash leaves everyone scrambling, and luckily, no one was hurt.
Oh my God.
Fire and trees don't mix well. In this daring attempt, a burning tree is being cut down in the hopes of preventing the fire from spreading. But as flames engulf the branches, the sawyers misjudge the speed at which the fire compromises the structure. Before they can clear out, the smoldering tree collapses dangerously close to the crew, proving that handling fire and heavy wood requires more than a chainsaw. This next moment is every homeowner's worst nightmare. As the workers saw through a massive trunk, it begins to lean, but not in the direction they intended. Within seconds, it topples onto the front end of a nearby house, crushing a large portion of the roof. The impact is enough to cause significant structural damage, leaving the workers visibly shocked by the severity of the fall. Sometimes you think things are under control, until they're not. In this clip, a tree unexpectedly falls backward and crashes right onto a house's back deck. The combination of poor tree trimming and unpredictable wind gusts leaves everyone in shock as they witness the branches tear through the roof. Few things are as dramatic as this next clip, where a massive palm tree crashes onto a historical church. The sound of snapping wood, followed by the sight of roof tiles cascading down, creates a shocking image. It's a heart-wrenching moment for the community, as a portion of their cherished building crumbles under the weight of the tree. Here's a clip that'll have you holding your breath. A team attaches a 45-foot palm tree to a GMC dually and begins to pull, trying to uproot it in one piece. The massive tree resists until the truck's power finally wins. But the victory is short-lived as the entire root system comes up, pulling rocks and dirt everywhere. The sight of the enormous tree and root system dragged across the yard is as thrilling as it is nerve-wracking. Tree felling close to any structure requires precision. However, in this case, the planning seems minimal. The sawyers hack at the base without ensuring a clear escape path. The giant tree tilts, and within moments it slams into the side of a nearby house, leaving a gaping hole. This shows that while it's possible to fell trees near homes, the risks multiply without proper strategy and skill. In a final clip, a large tree is being felled with hopes it will fall into an open area. But due to the tree's natural lean and perhaps some wind, it pivots and falls in the exact opposite direction. Shouts fill the air as the tree collapses, narrowly missing a parked car, but taking out a fence instead. This example shows how critical it is to double-check every angle and anticipate what nature might do before making the final cut. Once trees are cut down, they're fed into a Bandit 3590XL whole tree wood chipper. This high-powered machine, paired with the Rotobeck cab loader, transforms full trees into wood chips efficiently. The Rotobeck cab loader plays an essential role in picking up and loading the logs, maneuvering the massive timber pieces into the chipper's intake with precision. The Bandit 3590XL is designed to handle whole trees, making it an ideal tool for large-scale forestry operations. As the trees enter the chipper, a series of powerful rotating blades shred the wood into uniform chips at high speeds, reducing the massive logs into manageable, transportable material in seconds. This rapid chipping process supports faster cleanup and better resource management for sawmills, biomass plants, and pulp mills. The result is a streamlined process that minimizes waste, as the chipped wood can be repurposed in various ways, contributing to sustainable forest management practices and efficient utilization of harvested timber. The Eschelbach Biber 92 RBM is a powerful wood chipper designed for high-volume wood processing, efficiently converting large amounts of timber into uniform wood chips. Equipped with robust cutting mechanisms and high-powered hydraulics, this machine handles everything from small branches to large trunks with ease. Its precision-engineered rotor ensures consistent chip size, ideal for various uses, including biomass energy production. Operating the Biber 92 RBM involves feeding timber into the machine's intake conveyor, which then transports the material to a high-speed rotating drum fitted with sharp, durable blades. As the wood enters, these blades cut and shred it into chips, ejecting them through an adjustable chute for optimal distribution. The RBM model is equipped with smart control systems, allowing operators to adjust chip size and manage feed speed based on the material type and intended application. Built for reliability and efficiency, the Eschelbach Biber 92 RBM is essential in forestry and wood processing, providing a seamless way to convert wood waste into valuable resources. The particle board manufacturing process. In producing particle boards, the first step involves wood chipping, where a wood chipper reduces raw wood into small chips. These chips are then transferred to a dryer, which reduces moisture to the required level, preparing the wood for further processing. Next, the screening stage sorts the dried material into fine particles and core pieces. These are then blended in the gluing phase, where a high-quality adhesive is added to improve the binding strength of the chips. The adhesive-coated particles are then transferred to the forming stage, where the mat is arranged according to the desired board thickness and density. Following this, the formed mat undergoes pre-pressing to compact it and ensure even thickness. The mat is then cut to the required size using a mat cutter. Afterward, hot pressing is applied to the mat, where temperature and pressure secure the material's durability and strength. Once pressed, edge trimming ensures each board has precise dimensions, and the product is inspected for quality. Sanding then smooths the surface, calibrating the board for an even, refined finish. In the impregnating line, design-printed paper is treated with melamine resin to create a visually appealing, durable surface. Lamination is applied to coat the board with a decorative melamine layer, enhancing its aesthetic and functional properties. The result is a high-quality particle board, built for lasting durability and a lifelong relationship with consumers who seek reliable, cost-effective building materials.